All right, so in chapter 2, section 3, and section 4, these are section 3 is talking about some different graphs that can be used. The main one that I wanted to focus on in the video is just talking about a cumulative frequency distribution. So when you're done with the cumulative frequency distribution, by the end, you should be getting closer and closer to 100% of your data. So there's a small percentage that are here, all the way through. There's different percentages within each bin, each class. And so, but as I add them all up, make it cumulative, when I get to the very last bin, I should have 100%. So that's something that we'll be using further down the road, is this idea of this cumulative frequency distribution. In the section 4, graphical misrepresentation, and that's something that we have to be aware of as consumers of data. We're given a lot of information, and how the data is organized and how it's presented to us, kind of help determines what type of decision we make on something. So when we look at graphs, right, this would be a way to represent a graph. We have, about 11% here. Our scale is at 0, which is nice. But there's ways of making these graphs look different, these bar charts. Like here, one that makes look 213 had, such a higher tax rate. Looks like it's 4 times the tax rate, when actuality it's just 4% higher maybe, because their scale doesn't start with 0. When you hear someone say, mistrust any data that you're given, the answer is absolutely yes. The people that give you the data want you to see their particular side. And so we're going to have an assignment in chapter 2 that's going to get you to look at some of this information, some other type of misleading graphs that I just want you to invest your time in. Because again, this is something moving forward outside of a statistics class in life. You are consumers of data. People are going to be giving you data, and you're going to either be buying it 100%, or you're going to question those things. And so please, with section 3 and honestly specifically section 4, try to understand the magnitude of what misleading graphs can do.